Sa mga naririnig nyo nung sinabi nyo meron kapalit yung pag-vote to impeach, magkano yung inaalok? Magkano ba yung pinag-uusapan natin dito?
Based on what we've heard, I'd like to make a disclaimer. This is only allegedly.
Yes, and I know you keep saying I don't report news.
Yeah.
This is commentary. So we're also curious. That's why
I don't wanna have it used against the program or us,
Yes,
the two of
I
us
agree.
here. But yeah, based on what we've heard, 150 million per signature of the congressman.
And ano tong, would you know the composition of this 150 million? Is this cash or in programa ba to? Ano tong 150 million?
Actually, it's ACAP and AIX, and more. The other chunk of that is for the infrastructure development of the district. So nakadivide yan lahat, tatlo. And yeah,
Do you know yung pagka-divide? How much?
I'm not sure with the figure now, but I've written about it. I just can't recall the exact number, Attorney Karen. I'll provide it to you later.